Hi everyone, John and Patty here from the Ingles table with an amazing new recipe from Sweet Memories Cooking. It's our very own pasta with asparagus and pancetta. We've already been to Ingles and gathered these great ingredients, and now it's time to get started. So Patty, what do we got going first?
So I've got my pan over here. This is a little burner that we've been using lately.
Yep,
that's
love
really
it.
nice. I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna start with the topping first. Put a little olive oil around the pan. Start with that. And then I've got, instead of using regular breadcrumbs, because usually I get the French bread and I'm doing great it myself.
Right.
I got some panko. Okay, I'm gonna start with these. This is a total of 1 cup. So I'm gonna start with this, and what I'm gonna do is just toast it up.
So really you're making a flavored breadcrumb.
Yeah.
And the reason you don't want to use like the breadcrumb that's in the package is because it's too thin, right? You want something that's got a little bite to it when you're done.
It's ground too much, and to me it doesn't work for this. And like I said, I'm just gonna add this is just flat Italian parsley.
Okay, what else goes in there?
And just a little bit of cheese.
Now I already dropped the pasta in.
Oh, good,
so let me
okay.
talk a little bit about the pasta we're going to use. We're using an orecchiette pasta, and this actually in Italian means little ears. So they're real cute, but they cook up real nice, and what I like about them is they've got a little cup so they grab the sauce and they grab the cheese and the pancetta, and it really makes for just a wonderful flavor.
A nice bite too, because
I'm going to stir this a little bit while you're doing that. That's looking good.
Done.
All right.
So this is kind of what you're looking for, to have it brown like this.
All right, so the best thing about this recipe is everything else happens in this pan. So let's move that over.
Okay.
And
Good
give you
idea.
some more room.
Yeah, it gives us a little more room. So I'm going to start with a little bit of oil here again. Just a couple turns around the pan. I think it's like about 2 tablespoons. And this is pancetta. And what this is, a lot of people say it's Italian bacon,
right.
but it's really not. It's its own product. It's really nice. It's going here. Okay.
So that's going to brown up real quick, and then we're going to throw some shallots in there.
Yeah,
We've got some garlic to grate. I'm going to check on that pasta because it may be ready, and if it is, I'm going to pull it.
Okay.
So we want to reserve the oil that's in there to cook the rest of it, because that flavor is then going to be, incorporated in the dish.
Yeah.
And
you're gonna cook everything else in it.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Because they're both gonna stay in there. We're not removing them, so it's okay.
All right. There's that. I'm gonna just use my little board here and.
Okay, move this back. Oh, aren't these great? This little board.
The boards are really great.
You could zest. You could zest that lemon, and I need the juice from it too.
Okay.
And I'm going to add this mascarpone cheese. It's like a Italian cream cheese, if you will.
Because at this point it's coming together pretty quick.
Yeah, it's really
We
light.
juice this face up so that the seeds.
Seeds stay with the lemon. Okay, I'm going to add this chicken broth down in here a little bit. It's just a half a cup of chicken broth. And like John said, you could use wine if you like.
We're going to put this garlic in at this point. Is that good?
Mm-hmm. I think I'm going to put the pancetta in, and then let me just dump it in.
Okay, so this pasta's already been cooked and drained.
In Italian, we say butta la pasta.
Butta la pasta means throw it in.
Drop the pasta, throw it in. Okay, and I think I would lick a little bit of that pasta.
I'm thinking that too, just to thin it out.
And then I'm just going to put a little salt and pepper, and of course more cheese.
And a little topping, and that's it.
I know you and your family are going to love this wonderful treat. I want to thank you so much for joining me and John here at the Ingles table. Make sure and enjoy the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.